With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Two billiard balls undergo a head-on collision. Ball 1 is twice heavy as ball 2. Initially, ball 1 was moving with velocity v towards ball 2, which was at rest. Immediately after the collision, the ball 1 moves with velocity v by 3 in the same direction. What type of collision is this? So if you see here, the ball 1 speed is changed, direction is the same. Let's say this was moving with a velocity v. Now it is just moving with velocity v by 3 in the same direction. And if I talk about the ball 2, it was stationary initially. It was not moving. And finally let's say it is having some velocity. Right? So if I make another ball, this is ball 2, ball 2. So it is said here, this is 1, 1, 2, 2. It is said here this M1 and M2 are related like M1 mass is twice of the M2. Right? Twice heavy as the ball 2. Right? So if you see initially it was moving with velocity v, then it will move with a velocity v by 3, and this is, let's say, v0. So I will write down the initial momentum. It is m1 into v, and the final momentum, you can see m1 is moving with velocity v by 3 and m2 is moving with velocity v0. So here there is no external force, so they both will be equal. Initial, it will be equals to the final one. Alright, so if you put the values here, I will write down is equals to plus m2. So if you see here, m2 is m by 2, so m1 by 2, sorry. So it will be m1 by 2. So I will put the value. In this way you can cancel out this m1 v by 3. So if you cancel out this m1 and send this v term on one side, it will be v0 by 2 is equals to 2v by 3. From here you will get the v0 is equals to 4v by 3. Right? Now we can write down the E equation. We know that it is equals to velocity of separation by velocity of approach. So velocity of separation will be, if you see this ball is moving with velocity v by 4v by 3 and this with v by 3. So it will be 4v by 3 minus v by 3. Velocity of approach, only one ball is moving toward the other with velocity this. So 4v by 3 minus v by 3, it is v only, so it is 1. So it is a elastic collision because E is 1 for the elastic collision. Now you can check for the option E is 1 is B, elastic collision. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.